In this video, I'm going to teach you how to evaluate an expression. So if we have a problem like this that says find the value of the expression and we have 2 times bracket x minus 5, and you need to evaluate this expression when x equals 10. So this is a variable. A variable is a letter given to an unknown number. That's all that a variable is. It's just an unknown number. An expression is an equation made up of numbers and letters that represents another number. So this whole thing represents another number. It's made up of numbers and letters, okay? So now we need to figure out the value of this expression. So the variable is to be replaced with the number 10. This is the variable. So let's plug that into the equation. It'll look like this. 2 times bracket 10 minus 5. So remember that you calculate the brackets first. So 10 minus 5 equals 5. So you're left with 2 times 5, which equals 10. So the value of this expression when x equals 10 gives a value of 10. And that's all there is to that problem. And don't worry if you don't understand that right away. You could rewatch the video. As well, you could take a look at the description. There's links there to my ebook that will show you other videos that have this type of problem as well. And you could also take a look at the description. In there you'll see links to other videos of mine that are similar to this. Please make sure to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for listening.